everyone, this is iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure. So we're now up to our day 2. So we're getting ready and we're gonna have breakfast and we're going to do our canoeing and also another snorkeling to a different island. So you see how amazing the island is. This is Pachang Island. It's so beautiful. The water is so peaceful and it's so clear. So everything here is so perfect. We saw already like a wild boar. We already saw monkeys. We already seen the buffalo. It's so beautiful here in Ujung Kulon. It's worth the trip.
Nadine jangan.
Nadine, sit down. Slowly. Nadine, slowly.
Okay.
Boba. Sit in the middle, Nadine. Nadine, sit. Okay.
Of course, because
I'm videoing this.
this is the high.
Yeah, it's really high.
Oh, here's the payong.
The payong should be at the back.
Okay, now.
Hi, good morning. Welcome back to iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure. So today we're now here at Island Handeleum and we're doing our canoeing. So you can see we're in the river now and I'm doing the paddling. They say in this river there's crocodile and they say there's also snakes. So please be careful. Just be cautious on your left and on your right. And Nadine already brought her umbrella in case the snake will fall down. So, which we hope it will not because we're all gonna panic and we're all gonna fall down in the water. So again, this is iCandy's Kitchen. Welcome. And enjoy the view from this river. They said we have to be silent so we cannot attract the crocodile. Okay? So we now reach the end of the river. So they said there's a lot of crocodiles and snakes around, but we didn't see anything. But we're very happy because we're really so scared of the snakes and the crocodile. So this is it. This is the canoeing of Handeleum River, and we're going back to the boat and we're gonna do another snorkeling. So I guess we were wrong. There's one snake that we found on top of the tree and everyone was really scared and everyone almost panicked. So later I'm gonna show you the picture of the sleeping snake. Yes, I'm wrong. Yes, we went under the sleeping snake and now they're wishing for crocodile. Hi everyone, so now we're going back to the place where we came from. So this is Handeleum River Canoeing.
Oh, crocodile.
I told you. Wait.
Jangan video itu buaya itu. No. Mana? Jangan video itu buaya itu.
Wishing for crocodile. You teacher, please. Can you?
Itu buaya itu bukan biawak lagi itu.
If there's a baby, definitely there's a mom and dad. And Teacher G, please close your mouth, please. No, it's a baby.
Kenapa?
Hi everyone, so finally after seeing the snake, after few meters, Miss G wished for crocodile.
Baby one.
But we got one baby crocodile started to cross our path. So we already asked Miss G to zip it. Don't say anything.
This is Miss G. Salarin.
She zip it.
Zipped.
Zip it, please. No more wish because all her wish comes true. So we're almost back at our camp base and we're going down from our canoe and we'll finish traversing this river, Handeleum River. It's very nice, very peaceful. You could see everything here is so cool. So this is us, this is iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure. Hopefully you enjoyed this Ujung Kulon adventure trip with friends and sisters. Bye! Hi everyone, we're going back to the boat now. So after finishing the river canoeing, we're going back to our boat and we're gonna do another snorkeling. So these are our teams. So this is an open trip for Ujung Kulon. I will try to go there, but I'm not sure. So good luck to me. Going to the Papa save me, I'm so tired. Papa save me. I'm already so tired. We made it. Whew. That was hard. That was like the hardest 5 minutes of my life. Really tired. The island is really beautiful. You see. Ouch. Hi guys, welcome back to iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure. Today it's a very different adventure because we tried to swim from the boat going to this small island. This island is called Island Badul. Badul is a very, very small island here at Ujung Kulon and it's really white sand beach. You can see it from there. It's like blue waters and white sand. So it's really nice to be here. I'm really happy that I took the dive and now I'm here at this island.